Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today in this video we'll be seeing how to make Panch Kadai. This is a recipe from the Konkani cuisine and this is usually made as a prasad or a Naivedyam during Janmashtami or Ganesh Chaturthi. Firstly, to begin with, take a non-stick pan and once the pan is heated, add 1/4 cup of chana dal into it and dry roast them until they turn golden brown. Make sure to dry roast in low flame and once dry roasted, transfer them to a plate for it to cool down in room temperature. Next, add 1/4 cup of moong dal and dry roast them as well. Once the moong dal turns aromatic, add 1/4 cup of pot rice and dry roast them as well. Please note, if popped rice is unavailable, you can even use flattened rice or cashew nut. Dry roast the popped rice until the moisture is completely gone and you are able to crush it with your hands. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of white sesame seed and dry roast them until they turn golden brown. Once the dry roasted mixture has cooled down completely, add the chana dal to a mixer and grind it coarsely. Once the chana dal is grinded well, add the popped rice and dry roasted moong dal into it and grind them again. Once it's grind well into a coarse texture powder, keep this separately. Next, into the same pan, add about 1/4 cup of water and half a cup of crushed jaggery and allow the jaggery to dissolve. Make sure to cook this in low flame and once the jaggery dissolves completely and thickens, add half a cup of grated coconut into it. Mix this well and allow this to cook in low flame for about 5 minutes. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder and mix everything well. Now add the previously prepared coarse powder into it and mix well. Now add the previously dry roasted sesame seed and about 2 teaspoons of homemade ghee and mix everything well. Now your delicious Panch Kadai Prasad or Naivedyam is ready. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.